Alright, this is Ocean Mars Villas, Direct Oceanfront condos, right down here at the very end of Cherry Grove Beach in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Just want to show you that off the rocks here, you've got direct ocean views with the Cherry Grove Inlet that comes in down here at the end. And just a gorgeous day. And this place is very unique to where it's down here at the very end, very private, very quaint. And you've got this gorgeous beach out here. And then you come back around and then they've got one amenity, which is this outside pool. You can see kids and people playing around, lounging. You can see that they're very well maintained, 3-story, walk-ups. Exterior is very, very well. Entranceway right there from the parking lot. And over here you can see that we've got more oceanfront buildings. And then also more oceanfront. Front custom private beach access right here. Walk directly out on the beach. Or maybe you could go over there and off to the right hand side you could play volleyball off in the distance.